Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about function. So what is function? Function is a set of statements to perform a particular task. Okay. So to define a function in JavaScript, you use this function keyword. Okay. And then give the name of function. It can be anything, but start with underscore or character, not by a number. If you are putting a number, it will be a red. It is an error. Then you have to put these two braces, and all the function code inside with this curly braces. Okay. So this function we define, and here we are doing just doing alert. We're calling a one more function JavaScript inbuilt function to alert something. So this is a function definition. To work something, you have to call a function. So here we are calling a function called says something. Okay. So now let's run this code. Just go and run this HTML file. See, this box is came. Okay, done. Now this is one thing. Now one other thing is that you can pass the parameter in this braces. Okay, so we'll define one more function. Suppose this I defining one more function called add something. Okay, and these are two parameter. One is it will take a number or a string. You can give any name. I just give some relevant name. So number, and we are passing one string or number. You can give any number, and then what we are doing, we are declaring one more variable and adding this two, and this again we are getting alert. So I told you that if you not call a function, it won't work. So if I comment this thing and run this code again, okay, I comment this thing and calling my add something function and passing 455 as integer and hello as a string. Okay, now see how it will work. So go and just run. See, it is saying okay. Now you want to call this both function. Okay, just uncomment and run Chrome. See, this is a function, and click OK, and this result will come. So this is where you can pass the parameter. Thank you.